did when they took the trees out, there was a sprinkler line going across this, so I ran a new pipe. And
Thank you.
We'll figure, they had to do handicap accessible, so this was all level. We had to chop back the patio, bring back the wall, install the drain, and then this is all going to be concrete coming down, and then new concrete here as well. New wall installed over here with reinstalling the pavers, installing new bullnose on top. According to the plan, the block should be like this. I would see all these things that would drive me nuts, that you have one wall vertical like that compared to linear. Be okay, this is what the plan says, this is what we're doing, but you know, sometimes when you're drawing something up in an office, even though a plan says something, make sure it works. I went over it with the project manager and the owner of the property, and this way it all kind of flows and looks like it was all here.